Welcome to the transformative experience of KTOM Academy's in-house Certification in Behavioral Interviewing Skills, or CBI program, a 3-day intensive workshop designed to revolutionize your recruitment and selection approach. This is not just a training course, but a career-altering journey, empowering you with deep insights into behavioral interviewing techniques and practical skills. In-house training offers a tailored learning environment, addressing your organization's unique needs for immediate application and impactful results. And all this at a special introductory price for groups of up to 20 participants. The key advantages of our CBI program include mastering the interview process, behavioral techniques, developing competency models, creating effective interview questions, enhanced decision-making, understanding legal and ethical hiring practices, and real-world application during the workshop. Isn't just an investment in your team's growth, but also your organization's future. Equip yourselves with the tools to identify and secure top talent efficiently and ethically. So are you ready to transform your interviewing process and enhance your team's capabilities? Join us for a transformative experience that promises not just to educate, but also to empower and inspire. Welcome to the future of recruitment. Welcome to KTOM Academy's CBI program.